Hi friends, welcome to TutusFunny channel. Today I am bringing the video of email marketing. Email marketing, the best software which name is Brevo. Okay, this is the very best software. So if you are not experienced of this software, I'll be teach you in the efficient way to easy to understandable. Okay, so you have to click on this particular link. Okay, this is software. So okay, I already sign up. So if you don't have any account, you can sign in via your Gmail account, and it asks to enter your email website. You have to, without website you can't do it. So first you have to implement your website first. Okay, after that you can get into this dashboard. Okay, this is my website. I have attached it here. So this is where it is coming along with my name. Okay, this is how simply the dashboard is. This very simple dashboard. Okay, so first one we have to talk about the CRM. CRM, which is nothing but custom relationship management. Okay, custom relationship management. Okay, now here what I am going to do is, here I am going to go to, so here that first I am going to go to here. I'm going to start from the scratch. So first you have a, before you have to run the email campaign, we have to first, what I'm going to do is I want to create the contact list. Okay, we have to create a contact list. Okay, so we don't have a contact list, we have a freshers. Okay, so now I'm going to make the contact list. Okay, contact list, what I'm going to say, I have a contact list. So first, without a contact list, we can't do the email campaign. So what are the, if you are imagine you are run the campaign Facebook or Google Ads or something else, you can get the contacts campaign. Okay, collect the people who interest that particular course, who apply that particular course. Those leads you have collected as an Excel sheet. So I having an Excel sheet, and that collectivity list. Okay, this is regarding about the Java programming context. This context I'm going to run the email campaign. So what I'm going to click contact. Sorry, here now import contact. Here contact, continue, import from the file, click on it. Here I'm going to click on it and go to the D drive. Now what I'm going to go to the, this one you have to, now you can see that what the file you upload, the respective contact is there. I will confirm your file, click on it. Now here when you click confirm this one, you can click on you having these options, mapping options. So here you have to select, if it is defaultly selected, if it is not selected defaultly, here when you open up your Excel document, there are two fields. First one is your first name, second one is the email. So when you mapping, so first name you must select as first name here. Email, you have to select the email from this filter. Okay, so this both are you have to select that. So imagine if you have a contact, you have to select as a SMS. Okay, you have to must select as a SMS as well as your contact. Both you must select that. If you are going to put as a phone number as well. So after done the stuff, confirm mapping. Okay, now after confirm mapping, you come to this place. This place, what you are going to do is, here we don't have any context so far. First I have to go to create a list. You have to provide the name of the list. So first I am going to go to that, create a new folder. Here new folder, I am going to mark Java course. Okay, registration, imagine Java course, I have get the leads from the students, put it as one folder as a Java course. Create a folder here, Java course leads, something like that, or students. Okay, list name, create a list. Now you can see here Java course lead has been created. Click confirm list. Here click confirm. Here you have to, this is the leads. Okay, can confirm. Now what I am going to do is here I am going to confirm for importing. This is the full context. I am going to import it. So all the leads will be importing successfully. You will be able to see all the leads will be importing successfully. Okay, it's just things we have to do it. Okay, then we are going to the list. You will be able to see here Java course leads. There are 29 people are joining to the content. This 29 people I have to run the email campaign. So email campaign, how to do step by step. Okay, so email campaign, you have to go to the marketing. Okay, the marketing, there is a marketing, there is a campaign. The campaign, you can see the create campaign. Click on it here. Okay, so don't create here. Before that, marketing, you can go to the template. Now you can see here Java course lead has been created. Click confirm list. Here click confirm. Here you have to, this is the leads. Okay, can confirm. Now what I am going to do is here I am going to confirm for importing. This is the full context. I am going to import it. So all the leads will be importing successfully. You will be able to see all the leads will be importing successfully. Okay, it's just things we have to do it. Okay, then we are going to the list. You will be able to see here Java course leads. There are 29 people are joining to the content. This 29 people I have to run the email campaign. So email campaign, how to do step by step. Okay, so email campaign, you have to go to the marketing. Okay, the marketing, there is a marketing, there is a campaign. The campaign, you can see the create campaign. Click on it here. Okay, so don't create here. Before that, marketing, you can go to the template. Now here you have to create the template. So you can click create template. So that sender email. Okay, so sender email. Yeah, this is sender email. So here we have a subject line. So here that save. The subject line, they are asking to enter some subject line, so you have to use some it. Later on we can change this one. Here add content. Okay, so here add content, you have to start with the from the scratch. I'm going to do this from the scratch. Okay, you're coming to this area. Okay, you come to this area. Here where you can drag and drop and do the email template. So here the email, you can see here, you don't worry about that. So everything's are there. Okay, in detailing here everything's are there. So you can just here header also. If you don't have any idea to create a header, don't worry. Here's a header. You just drag and drop header. Your company logo, you can put the company logo over here. Here your Facebook account, LinkedIn, all the things are, you can just drag and drop it. After that, you need a email template. Everything's are there here. So body, whatever things, images and footer, column, everything's are there. Now what I'm going to do is here we have to drag it, the things like this one. Okay, some photo, you can attach your photo as well. So here and drag it block and text field as well. Here can go the message, hi, greetings, whatever. Greetings means here we have to, they are the people's names. Okay, the people's name of the email campaign. So that you have click on it, this one, you have to go to the add variable. In this point we have to attach it to the first name of the people. And the first name is display. Okay. Okay, so this is the thing we have to do. This is a like a mail. uh, this is the people's names. What are the lists you have collected? This all the names are displayed one by one, each and every person's. Okay, so here that you can see that whatever, if you want this image, you can drop it that your image. If you have sections, you can add the section as well on your email campaign. After that, you if you need a footer, the footer, if you need a footer, you just drag on the footer as well. So everything you will be able to create as a email campaign. Here your email campaign is ready. Okay, that's a template. This template I'm going to save it. Okay, your team template is saved. Sender, your domain is not authorized, then so that replace it. Okay, so whatever. Okay, so whatever new sender email I just whatever. So now what I'm going to say, I'm going to have some new sender email. Okay, okay, I save it. This one, the template has been saved. No problem. Later on the sender email we can change here. Template has been saved. This is a template which is a 7. This one you can we have to the 7 mean this is a template template ID 7. So while you creating the campaign, you have to just number should be you can remember. Okay, so after done the template, you can run the campaign, create the campaign, email, the same campaign. What's the campaign you have, right? Java course. The name must be okay. You have to do the name correctly. Okay, Java course. Java course. Okay, this where's my this is the tag campaign. Okay, so that we also this also the we have to edit that this is the campaign you have to didn't give the name. So this name also Java course template. Okay, the same name. I'm going to give the campaign as well. It's not applied. Okay, this name you can edit. Okay, this editor why it's not edited. Okay, so Java campaign, Java course. Okay, yeah, I didn't save it. That's what save Java course. Okay, now the campaign, create campaign, email, Java course. Click create campaign. Here, sender email ID. If it is not you are selected, it automatically select as our email ID. Okay, so this is the email ID. So we are sender's email ID. Okay, just sender's email ID. Okay, the sender email ID. So accidentally I close it. Campaign name. Okay, add recipients. Click on the recipients. You have to select that respective link, which is a Java course. This is the leads. We collect from the Java course here. Java course leads. 29 recipients are there. You have to select them as well. Save. Subject, you have to your timeline subject. Okay, Java course. Sound like it. Do you need Java program easy way? Like that, we have to sending the subject line. So the paid people will be already these people are interested people of Java. We have to convert them as a sales. So you have to give the attractive text for make as a more curiosity. Okay, you have to write the text which will be attractive way for make more curiosity to get more sales. So you write that kind of a text. You have to implement that kind of text. Click save. Design, you select as this design 7, use this template. That's it. Save and quit. Okay, all the things have been applied successfully. Now you can before you can schedule the email, first you have to test it. Click preview sender. So here send a test email. Okay, so send a test email. Here also you can write it here, mail at the manage the mail list. You can type it over here. This one I already added. Tested mail. So you have to refresh them. Test email. So this one you can test out. Okay, if the email is successfully sent, what are the same template look. Okay, so if it is successful, you will be able to go and open your mail the right away. It is on your mailbox. Okay, so after that, the email template by which you are design is the same design, the same look will be on your email list. Okay, the same format will be your email list. Okay, after that you satisfied, you go to the schedule and you can schedule. If you are scheduled right now, it go right away. Okay, if you are scheduled later, and you will be able to select the date and time as well and click schedule, it has been scheduled. Okay, this is how you have make the simple email campaign professionally. Okay, keep in your mind, this is a simple one. Okay, it is very simple. Okay, thank you for watching.